In a time long ago, in an ancient kingdom where mighty castles and mysterious forests stretched as far as the eye could see, there lived a young boy named Arion. Full of curiosity and a sense of adventure, Arion often spent his days exploring the wilderness around his home. One sunny afternoon, while playing near the river, he stumbled upon a hidden cave partially concealed by dense foliage. His heart pounding with excitement, Arion ventured inside. The cave was dimly lit by shafts of sunlight filtering through cracks in the ceiling. As his eyes adjusted to the gloom, he noticed an old, tattered map lying on a stone pedestal. The map was heavily stained and looked like it had been untouched for centuries, but he could still make out symbols and landmarks. In the center, there was a depiction of a treasure chest surrounded by ancient creatures. Intrigued, Arion took the map to the village sage, an elderly man named Amon, who was known for his wisdom. Amon's eyes widened in recognition. "This is the legendary map of the Lost Treasure of Elesmere," he whispered. "It is said that this treasure can bring peace and prosperity to the kingdom, but it is guarded by ancient creatures and riddles only the cleverest can solve." Arion knew he had to find this treasure, for the kingdom was suffering from a terrible drought, and hope was dwindling. He decided to confide in his two best friends, Elara, a clever girl with a knack for solving puzzles, and Finn, a brave boy with unmatched strength. Together, they formed a plan to embark on this perilous journey. Their adventure took them through dense forests, across raging rivers, and up treacherous mountains. At every turn, they encountered challenges that tested their bravery, teamwork, and problem-solving skills. Finally, they reached the heart of the map, a hidden valley shrouded in mist. There, they found the entrance to an ancient temple. Arion and his friends returned to the kingdom as heroes. The treasure's magic brought rain to the parched land, and soon, the kingdom flourished once again.